future of education is not coming. It's already here. A world where everything you need to learn, grow, and evolve lives in one place. Seamless, connected, unlimited. This isn't an upgrade. This isn't an update. This is a new way to experience GFU. Introducing GFU 360. Your all-in-one mobile experience for education, analysis, and market insight. This is what 360 means. Education, GFU charts, market ideas, community, and a powerful AI, all fully integrated in one app. Now you'll have access to Forex and crypto global ideas, real-time insights from experienced educators, so you can follow the market and learn how it moves. For the first time, GFU Charts is now on mobile. All your 6 favorite scanners live in one place. Enjoy saving and loading educator ideas and your markups on the go with real-time notifications. Power, precision, mobility. Watch 50-plus live sessions every day. 300-plus courses on demand. A complete learning environment. Accessible anytime, anywhere at the palm of your hands. And at the center of it all, GFU AI. The brain of the GFU ecosystem. Everything you need to know right when you need it. Ask anything. Learn everything. Instant answers 24/7. Everything you've been waiting for is finally here. Step in now to your all-in-one experience. GFU 360. Download now.